inspiring. And I
Yes,
just want to say a big
thank
shout
you.
out to Rise AI Academy for what you guys are doing, empowering the society, creating the platform and the awareness for people to be aware that it
Yes.
don't matter what age you are, you could still learn. Otherwise, you're gonna struggle a few years from now, even with basic things and management, Yeah.
I absolutely agree with that because that's why I said it feels so good to speak to someone that actually really understands what I'm saying and not thinking I'm just like, crying wolf. Like, no, this is really serious, guys. You
Yeah.
know? Yeah, so I absolutely I totally respect your perspective, and I'm sure it has to be interesting coming from you have a cybersecurity background. So
I do.
how is this all kind of computing right now, you know?
Yeah. I think AI is changing a whole lot, even with security, operations, development, there's just been a whole lot. There's been a lot of applications that you are kind of like little microservices that you integrate to the back end of what you already established. But overall, I think one of the most important thing about AI is the efficiency in production. So we have it's a lot of tools that are out there when it comes to security. There's a lot of tools when it comes to development, and there's a lot of tools when it comes to operations.
Yeah,
However, a lot of companies are not aware of this new development and approaches to manage tax better. So it's very important that we create that awareness because the truth of the matter is productivity, right? It's key in any business, in any organization, but you have to be efficient as well. You know what I mean? And AI is saving thousands of
no,
dollars.
I know
And
it.
companies who are opening up to embrace the new technology, the new tools, and all that. So I think another way that we could see more growth is to encourage people to learn and embrace like the kind of programs you're doing to create more awareness because a lot of people most times it's too much. AI is it's uh, uh like integration of different data centers. So you
Mhm.
could have like the whole universe in your palm right now, in your hands.
Right. It's really
So
like that. Yeah.
yeah, but at the end of the day, the instance of programs like this, right, helps to define, how to where to start if you don't know where to start. Because if knowledge is not organized, it's not structural. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
So, and I want to encourage people. AI Academy is doing an incredible job. If you
Thank
want to
you.
start and you don't know how to start, that's the boss lady right there. She's gonna get you
Thank
started.
you.
And the most important thing is just really getting started. It doesn't matter. Even there are a lot of professionals now understand how to, use AI to be more efficient. So it's
Mhm.
not just only people who don't have tech backgrounds, because AI is a movement.
Mhm. Yes,
It's a
it is.
movement, it's a movement, because now we have access to data
Mhm.
centers, integration, and all that. But if it's not structured, if it's not organized, if it's not intentional, you're going to be all over the place. At the end of the day, you're not productive. So it's good to, so yeah, so I encourage everybody, sign up for the program. You already know what to do. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Get
Oh my goodness.
started, get started from somewhere. The goal
Yeah,
is to empower and the goal is to inspire so that we can be more efficient.
absolutely. And I wanted to circle back because I was thinking, and I love how you said, learn a skill. Learn a skill, and that's one of the big things I teach in Rise AI Academy. I call it a path to prosperity. It's 10
That's
different
right.
paths. You pick one, but
That's right.
whatever one you pick, you be really, really good at it. Really, really good at it. So whether it's social media and you like
Mm,
posting or email automation or chat
that's right.
bots or whatever, pick one and just master it and let that
That's
be
right.
your thing, you know?
That's right. That's
Yeah.
right.
Because another thing people know that I'm always talking about these 15-year-old millionaires, right? So
Mm,
I totally wanted to start a channel called Middle School Millionaires because they're out here.
mm, that's true. Mm, that's
Yeah,
true.
so well,
Sure.
thank you so much for that. Let's see. Let's see. On to the next one is what are your top 2 to 3 tips for thriving in today's AI-driven workforce? For instance, skills to build, habits to adopt, or what to stop doing, or what do you need to start doing? You know?
Yeah, I think the most important thing is that AI is not just a skill. AI is kind of shaping how you think
Mm-hmm.
moving forward. You know what I mean? So I think the starting point should be get a skill in AI, like you said. You could use AI for documentation. I think you could use this for almost any aspect of
You
life because
can. It's amazing. Yeah.
and more applications are coming. So when we're talking about AI, because sometimes a lot of people, when it comes to technical stuff, they're like, "Oh, that's not for me," you know.
Mm-hmm.
But the truth is, AI is more than a tool. It shapes
Mm-hmm.
how you think. So it enhances your problem solving skills as well. You know, it helps you manage yourself and it helps you because relevance is like the new currency. Like, you know what I'm
Right.
saying?
That's right.
Yeah, yeah.
Data. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if you acquire the skill, it's gonna help you being relevant in the marketplace, and it's also gonna even help you manage yourself better. You're gonna learn differently, and I think learning is a progressive,
It is.
you know, it's a progressive journey, and it's something that we should be open to. And AI is not so technically difficult. I'm telling you, it's so easy. In fact, it makes things more easier, but you have to understand how to
Mm-hmm.
use it. That's why you have to get skills. A lot of people have access to ChatGPT and a whole lot of things, but a lot of people don't even understand that it works with prompts. A lot of people don't know how
Mm-hmm.
prompts work. People don't understand the engineering behind prompts and all that. So um I'll advise people don't be shy to learn don't think it's a technical, path you don't want to take. No, it's a path that's going to help you grow and it's going to create more opportunity and relevance for you in society and community.
Absolutely. I couldn't have said it better. You are so right. Like,
Right.
we are just, I think the thing is people don't understand that this isn't new, right?
Mm,
So
that's right.
the companies, the Ubers and the Waymos and the drones of the world, they've been at this for years now. They're
That's right.
just now, approaching us with it, so they expect us to keep up as though we've been doing this for years like they have, and that is not the
Right.
case.
Right.
Yeah, so yeah, people just have to, we can just do our little part as far as with, training. Like I said, I definitely would like to connect with you about some future kind of joint training opportunities because
Absolutely.
we're on the same highway, but we're in totally different lanes because that technical stuff, oh, that's not my lane. That is not my lane.
Yeah, I think the key is just literacy. So the goal
Yes.
is to ensure people are embracing literacy within AI and all that. Yeah. So yeah.
That's my lane. I can do that
Yeah.
all day. I can talk to
I
you all
guess.
day. But you try
That's
to get me
right.
to build a mainframe, nah, maybe not so much. So
Oh, absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so this is just so amazing, so amazing. So I want to know, how can people get in touch with you? So if
Okay,
they want
yeah.
your service, like why should they reach out to you and how do they reach out to you?
The reason they should reach out to me, DV is because we are reshaping how people operate as a business. So we using cloud solutions, DevOps solutions, and AI transformation as well
Nice.
to reshape how people operate as a business. Because a lot of business, they have
Yeah.
visions, they have infrastructure, but they don't have efficiency, So one of the ways we do is to manage efficiency and productivity with our DevOps solutions, cloud solutions, and managed operations and security at large. And one of the ways to reach us is on our website, www.dv-techconsulting.com. That's the
Okay.
website.
Okay.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Absolutely. Tech.
www.dv-consulting.
No, dv-techconsulting.com.
Okay. Okay, I should have let you do it. Okay. Well, guys, I definitely want you to reach out because if nothing else, just review his website. It is so amazing. I was like, "Oh my goodness, I need you in my life. I need your technology brain because my brain just doesn't work like that." Yeah, so let's see. How should we wrap this up? So I always try to pick something that will totally resonate with my audience and when they think of you or something you said, right? So I think with you is pretty inspirational. Everything you said has been motivational, inspirational, and pretty much advising people don't be scared of it, embrace it. And if you're still scared of it, call me. I can help you through that.
Right, you already know. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes. Okay. So then we're going to close this out with hope and opportunity. So,
That's right.
what's the opportunity you're most excited about if everyday people get AI skills and start using them consistently? What is your AI utopia? What do you see?
I think what I see is impact and transformation.
Mm,
They're going to be transformed,
hmm.
and, and everything they do is going to be impactful.
Nice.
And my final words for the day is always remember AI won't replace you, but if you don't get the literacy, somebody with the AI knowledge might. That's my final.
There you go. There you go. Well, you heard him. That's his final word, guys. So, it's not just me out here screaming from the rooftops, you know. Get with it. So, this is a very highly skilled, highly technologically advanced professional saying the same thing, guys. So, it is real. Get the skills you need. Again, thank you so much I know it's running late, but I thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Daniel. Your insight
Absolutely.
is
Absolutely.
very
Thank you for the
valuable.
opportunity. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. All
You are
right.
very, very welcome. And on that note, you have a blessed evening.
You too. Bye.
Bye bye.